Staying cool during hot summer days shouldn't be a struggle, and the right window air conditioner can make all the difference. Today's window AC units are more powerful, quieter, and energy efficient than ever, offering fast cooling, smart controls, and easy installation without the need for permanent setup. But with so many models claiming the best performance, finding the right one for your space isn't always easy. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you the 5 best window air conditioners that actually deliver. Whether you need strong cooling for large rooms, energy savings for everyday use, or a quiet unit for comfortable sleep. You'll find links to the best prices for all the window ACs mentioned in the description and top comment. These picks aren't ranked in any specific order, so be sure to watch until the end to find the perfect unit for your needs. Number 5. LG 8000 BTU115V through-the-wall air conditioner is a reliable cooling solution for medium-sized rooms up to 350 square feet. It offers consistent performance and serves as a practical alternative to window units, though installation requires a compatible wall sleeve, often sold separately. Setup is fairly simple, but at 66 pounds, assistance is recommended for safe positioning. Once installed, it cools efficiently, lowering room temperatures and maintaining comfort even on warm days. Despite its power, it operates quietly enough for normal conversation. While it lacks oscillation, adjustable vents allow you to direct airflow as needed. The included remote control adds convenience, especially for units installed higher or lower on walls. With an 8000 BTU capacity, a CER rating of 10.6, and a compact design, this LG model delivers a balanced mix of efficiency, usability, and dependable everyday cooling performance. Number 4. Midea 12000 BTU window air conditioner. The Midea air conditioner stands out for its impressive cooling performance and smart convenience, proving more than capable of maintaining a comfortable temperature in a 525 square foot apartment even during intense Midwestern heat waves. Its efficiency is matched by its durability, as one user reported purchasing the unit secondhand from a previous tenant who had left it installed year-round, including through the winter, yet it continued to operate like new. This highlights the unit's long-lasting build quality and reliability. One of its biggest advantages is the Wi-Fi connectivity, which allows users to control the air conditioner through a feature-rich mobile app. Even when sitting nearby, many users prefer using the app because it offers more precise control options, such as adjusting fan speeds by exact percentages and easily switching between eco and oscillation modes. The app also adds convenience for those on the go. You can turn the unit on before arriving home, ensuring a cool and comfortable space the moment you walk in. Additionally, it sends helpful notifications when the washable filter needs cleaning, which typically can be maintained monthly with a quick rinse or vacuum. However, there is a minor drawback to consider. Using the built-in touchscreen controls produces a noticeably loud beep with each adjustment. While the sound can be turned off completely, there's no option to lower its volume, which might be inconvenient for some users. Overall, the Midea air conditioner delivers powerful cooling, smart features, and dependable performance, making it an excellent choice for small to medium-sized living spaces. Number 3. Windmill window air conditioner. The Windmill air conditioner stands out with its minimalist, modern design, featuring cleverly hidden controls that blend seamlessly into its clean front panel and softly rounded edges, making it an attractive addition to almost any room. Beyond its stylish appearance, it performs impressively by delivering strong, consistent cooling without significantly increasing energy costs, which makes it a practical choice for everyday use. Unlike traditional units that blast cold air directly at you, the Windmill directs airflow upward at a 45-degree angle, creating a softer, more even cooling effect that feels closer to central air conditioning. It also places a strong emphasis on energy efficiency, offering a companion app that provides real-time insights into power usage so you can monitor and manage consumption more effectively. Additionally, users can opt into the brand's Eco Rewards program, which automatically adjusts settings during peak energy demand periods to reduce strain on the power grid, potentially saving up to $60 annually depending on participation. With its combination of smart features, energy-saving capabilities, and thoughtful airflow design, the Windmill offers excellent overall value and is a compelling option for those seeking both comfort and efficiency. However, it's not without its drawbacks. The unit's claim of being whisper quiet doesn't entirely hold up in real-world use, as it can produce noticeable rattling sounds, particularly when first powered on or operating in eco mode. Despite this minor issue, the Windmill remains a strong all-around contender for anyone looking for a stylish, energy-conscious air conditioning solution. Number 2, GE Window Air Conditioner. If you're not interested in advanced smart features and simply want a reliable unit that gets the job done, the GE 5000 Window Air Conditioner is a practical and efficient choice. Designed with simplicity in mind, this compact air conditioner performs especially well in smaller spaces, such as a 140 square foot bedroom, where it can cool the room in as little as 15 minutes. Its straightforward mechanical controls make operation easy, even for first-time users, with limited modes that remove any confusion and allow you to quickly find your ideal settings. A built-in adjustable louver gives you manual control over airflow direction, adding a bit of customization despite the unit's basic design. While it lacks modern conveniences like a digital temperature display or energy-saving mode, this simplicity is part of its appeal for users who prefer a no-fuss experience. Installation is generally manageable thanks to clear instructions, although attaching the side panels may require a bit of patience. Despite these minor drawbacks, the unit excels where it matters most: cooling performance. It proved dependable even during hot and humid conditions, maintaining comfort without excessive noise, allowing you to watch TV or relax without disruption. Overall, the GE 5000 stands out as a budget-friendly, space-saving solution that prioritizes fast, effective cooling over extra features, making it an excellent option for anyone looking to stay cool in smaller rooms without spending too much. Number 1, Frigidaire Window Air Conditioner. The Frigidaire Gallery Series Window Air Conditioner is an excellent choice for those seeking powerful cooling with quiet operation, especially for bedrooms. Running at around 42 decibels, it provides a gentle, white noise-like sound that won't disturb light sleepers. Its sleek, modern design stands out, featuring a smart vent that opens during operation and closes when off, helping reduce dust buildup while optimizing airflow. The unit offers versatile controls, including a mobile app, scheduling options, a responsive touchscreen, and a convenient remote, ideal for nighttime adjustments without screen glare. The LED display also dims automatically, enhancing sleep comfort. Over extended use, it consistently maintains a cool, comfortable environment in larger bedrooms. While the accordion-style side panels feel somewhat outdated compared to the premium front design, overall performance, reliability, and user-friendly features make it a top-tier cooling solution for everyday comfort. That concludes today's session, everyone. We trust this information was helpful. If so, please like our video and subscribe to the channel for more updates. Wishing you a great day, stay safe, and keep progressing.